Hi there, we want to show you the tiny house that we just stayed in. It's an off-grid tiny home on the farm and it's just the cutest thing. Come on in. So this screen is magnetic. I love the way that it has the seam on the side instead of in the center so it doesn't block your point of view. So it's there. It gives a great breeze all the way through the tiny home. There's a cute little table here when you come in and you can put your keys on here, your wallet, whatever you have. They have a little wood burner here and on it, because it's summertime, they put peonies fresh from the gardens. And I really thought that that was really pretty and just a really nice, lovely touch. Everything in here is off-grid, like we said. So this is our water source and we just tip it over when we need some water. And we've got silverware out. He has everything here that we could possibly need. It's just really lovely. This was our coffee. We put it all in here and it's just a drip coffee. And because this is a farm, they even put these farm fresh eggs in here for us to use. Just everything that we could need. A nice kettle, we can make our coffee with it. We can heat water for doing the dishes. 3-burner propane stove. It worked great. Actually, let me show you how it works. Got our lighter. Under here is where they have everything stored. Now, granted, this is the end of our stay, so we have, stuff in there. Everything you need in here. Yes. Oh, it's a long spatula for the grill outside. Actually, it's a fire pit. But yeah. Couple of pots and pans, they look nice. Ooh, this is bigger. Oh, the sheets. These are the twin for up on top. Pillowcase. Oh, a bath towel. Hand towel. Hand towels. We didn't even use them. Nice. Oh, and a bath towel, but we brought our own. Here's a full-size set of sheets for the futon. Yeah. Extra toilet paper. Let's see what's in here. I have no idea. Like Christmas. All right, what do we have? Oh, we have another pan, mixing bowl, hot pads. What else do we have? Oh, more mixing bowls, like camping bowls. Plenty of plates, some more towels, a washcloth, and full set of measuring cups. We've got a loft up here with a twin bed. The ladder is secure on here, so you can climb up there. I bet you could sit up there.
Oh yeah.
Sit up there. See, is it tall enough for your for headspace?
Get a little ventilation.
Oh my word.
2 people could probably sit up here.
Comfortably.
Yeah. I think the railing for the grandkids would be nice if it was a little higher. But I mean, it keeps you from rolling off.
Right.
But yeah.
Man.
Nice breeze coming through too.
Oh yeah, we'll open the bottom window too.
Now this is kind of made for you young people. Us old folks, I don't know about this. I got a bad wrist, a bad leg.
Oh, I see. If he did have it just over a smidge more, you wouldn't hit the wall. But that's okay.
I think he said he was going to change this ladder so you can...
Yep.
It's a little hard to get down. Oh my goodness.
You can do it. Go, 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 go. Sorry. Can you put your foot down? There you go.
Oh my goodness.
You've got it.
Oh, I got a bad foot.
You still have it. Yeah. Yep, he'll change the ladder out. But what a fabulous, fabulous space, right?
Yeah.
They thought of everything. There's a cute little rocker down here. Very comfortable, great height for the table. We have chairs over there, wood folding chairs. Brad and I were able to eat here very comfortably. We can even have a third person eating here very comfortably. And if we wanted more room, watch this. I thought this was so cool. Look at that. Didn't he do a fabulous job? I thought that this was such a neat idea. And then you just, one moment please. There we go. And there's the table. Large, large window here, and it's so nice. These are touch lights. And everything in here, because it's off grid, there's a solar panel outside. So everything they have in here is for 12 volt. And this is a touch light. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it goes all over. There's a little, and I'll turn it off here. There's a little USB port underneath. This is the battery source. So here we go. We can plug in our USBs there. And this one is already plugged in for the little oscillating fan. And it works really well. Turn it off so you can hear us. They have plenty of reading material here, from books to things to do in the area, magazines. It's great. This futon couch, it folds down into a full-size bed, and it's a spring mattress, so it was really comfortable for us. We loved it. I'll have Brad show you how we fold it down, and then we just put our sheets on it, and we're good to go. There we go. I don't remember how we did it. Futon, take 2.
Here we go. I think the trick is to lift it.
And to pull it out from the wall, too.
Yeah, we'll pull it out from the wall. Oh, crap.
Good job. There we go. Good job. It's a workout. Just kidding.
Oh, there, just click down.
Awesome. You can see all of these logs that are around the property. So the owner is a logger, and he also has his own little, does he call it a sawmill or?
Yep.
Okay, yeah. And he cut all of the boards, all of the wood for the tiny house. The shower and toilet, they're not very far away from the tiny house. Our little kitty mascot. So this is an actual, it's a bucket. And then there's the sawdust and the ash. Surprised me. Oh, it's so warm. Super warm. Hi.
Nothing like taking a shower with the birds singing. Super cool, but what they told us they do is they actually move the chickens down gradually. They're going to move this down the field, and they're going to eat as they go, and they're going to leave behind fertilizer. So they plan on doing that also with the pigs, but they haven't built that yet. So
you see the little chickens behind us? Aren't they adorable?
Yeah, they're cute.
Yeah. What are you doing out here? Hey, little miss. Come on. Good job. I think it's called winter rye that's planted over here. Did they call it a crop cover?
I think so.
Okay.
I guess it's got a super long root and it grows right up into November. And doesn't it like fertilize the ground? It's for the, the
when it
next
breaks
crop
down.
we're gonna use. Yep.
Yep, when it breaks down. Yep.
So that's super cool.
Well, hello, guys. Hi. Oh, they're hiding. Hi. Hi. Yeah, at least 8 or 9 feet.
They had a shorter fence and the deer would jump it, but they're not able to jump this one. So that's kind of cool.